Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Indian ROADMASTER Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2017 Indian ROADMASTER, with 16,530 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, TPMS, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, reverse navigation, an electronic windshield, and an onboard computer. It's been upgraded with a California sidecar TRIKE kit, California sidecar rear fender covers, a luggage rack, an Indian Stage 1 intake, and a tow hitch. We have installed a new tire. Powered by a 111 cubic inch V-twin engine, the ROADMASTER puts 119 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.5-gallon fuel capacity, the ROADMASTER has a 185 to 220 mile range. It has a 26.5-inch seat height and an 896-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this TRIKE's charging output at 13 volts, installed a new front tire, and both rear tires are at 6/30 seconds. We took this TRIKE for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this TRIKE, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this TRIKE's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint repair blemish on the rear fender. This TRIKE has an owner's manual, 2 keys, and 1 fob, clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This TRIKE has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.